It has been just over a month since the shooting at Evergreen High School left 2 kids in the hospital. 16-year-old shooter dead. Your reporters have been there as we continue that coverage for you. In the wake of the tragedy comes another conversation about gun violence. Your reporter in Jefferson County, Andrew Hobner, spoke with a group about ways to curb gun violence, joins us now in studio. And Andrew, this group is really just focused on safety, everything with gun safety.
You know, it's interesting. There's this discussion anytime these types of shootings happen about, is it the guns, is it not the guns? And then we have to have this discussion a little bit more about, well, if it is guns in our lives, what do we do about them? And that is exactly one thing that we have seen a lot of, something we covered in the aftermath of the Evergreen High School shooting. Reducing that violence is what one metro area nonprofit is trying to do.
Amanda Harden stays busy these days, from her day-to-day work to her nonprofit.
I'm a registered nurse, to layer everything on each other. And I started looking at the intersection of safety, of mental health, of firearm ownership.
A venture that aims to proactively make gun ownership safer.
Everyone wants the same outcome. We all want safety. We all want responsibility. We are all going about it in very, very different ways. And it's causing just a tremendous amount of friction.
Through classes and courses for health agencies and other organizations, the Mind and Safety Institute is working to make the conversation about mental health and firearm ownership a much less stigmatized one. Their courses have been utilized by everyone from the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention and the University of Colorado's Anschutz Medical Campus to the Lakewood Police Department.
We supply them with handouts, with tools, with websites they can send people to.
To try and curb everything from school shootings to firearm suicides.
This is about saving lives. This is not about taking sides anymore.
While still acknowledging the world's realities.
And how do we have better conversations about unauthorized access, safety? How do we build a firearm mental health safety plan?
That while the guns will still be present in society, there are ways to keep people safe all the same.
In the aftermath of the Evergreen school shooting, nearby Conifer High School students staged a walkout for concerns over gun violence and school safety. Many told me on that walk that it wasn't so much an issue of having guns or not as much as it was that something, just anything, had to change. And that's something, Karen, that the Mind and Safety Institute is trying to do. Even we argue that nothing can be done. Here's a group saying, at least in the meantime, there is something that can be done.
For sure there is. Yes, absolutely. Andrew, thank you.